Hey guys, so HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, and it describes what the content is, while CSS describes how it looks, and JavaScript describes how it behaves. As an analogy, let's think about your average college level MLA paper. You have your head, title, body, and then maybe a footer down at the bottom. HTML pretty much marks these bits and pieces up behind the scenes so that it can be properly identified and formatted later with CSS. So how does HTML work? You assign each element on the page a tag. Tags describe different parts of the web page. For example, the P tag says, "Hey Mr. Browser, this is a paragraph." Tags are enclosed by angle brackets. Start tags look like this, while end tags are very similar with a slash preceding the tag name. Some tags such as BR, which stand for line break, have no end tag. These are called void elements or empty elements. There are three parts to HTML syntax. There are the elements, which describe the tags plus the content, and there's attributes, which contain additional information pertaining to an element. So for example, if we had a label tag, we could use the for attribute to further describe what the label is. And lastly, there are the values, which are what the attributes can take in as an argument. Some arguments have predefined values, while others may have something like a link to an external source. So for example, we have the tag A, and then href would be our attribute, and the value would be google.com. Now, as we go through this tutorial, we'll be introducing a lot of tags, but won't have time to go through every attribute. To see a complete listing of all possible attributes and values you can use for each tag, go to the W3 Schools webpage. Lastly, before we move on, there are parents and children in HTML. You can embed HTML tags within each other. An element embedded with another is said to be the child of that element. The element that encloses the other is said to be the parent.